Sam, you have been selected to conduct a spy mission on planet Earth. As you know, we found a spacecraft from their planet, a few months back. Electromagnetism is the study of the electromagnetic force, one of the four fundamental forces of nature. The electromagnetic force pushes or pulls anything that has an electric charge, like electrons and protons. It includes the electric force, which pushes all charged particles, and the magnetic force, which only pushes moving charges.
Hi, can you go to the Super Plus market and buy me some wooden panels to build a fence? I am not sure. I have a square field that is 25 square meters. 10 panels can be used to build a fence of 2 meters. I will pay you 10% extra for your trouble. Go visit the Math Museum on this block. They have videos and other exhibits to help you. Thanks. I will be waiting right here.
It's the year 2060 and you're colonizing Mars. You're about to buy a plot of land, but you have a dog and you want to make sure he has enough space to run around. You also want to build a fence so he can't escape. So first you want to know how big the backyard is, and then you want to know how far it is around. To figure this out, you have to find
the area, that's the space inside. For a rectangle, its length and width are multiplied. Perimeter, the distance around the shape, just add the sides together and then we agree with the area. That's the space inside. For a rectangle, its length and width are multiplied. And perimeter, the distance around the shape, just add the sides together.